I just had the problem to fix gears to an exact distance, and to actually fixate them, no wobbling, no falling apart. No inconsistencies because of the necessary supports. Another leg made it easier, but tolerances made it even harder to assemble. I could have used screws, but then I need a screwdriver for assembly. No, the principle needed to change. How could you solve it differently? One classic engineering challenge is to make things spin. Their solution? Stack the parts on a shaft and secure them at the end. The different steps position the gears, while I'm using a spacer to keep them apart. This allows for the tolerances to be controlled by the length of the spacer. Printed parts are also pretty round, though you might want to hide the seam and the small bump with it. Stacking is easy enough, only stopping the parts from coming off is hard. Engineers usually take a retaining ring, though I was looking for another solution. So I tried the bayonet lock, and it surprisingly worked really well. Created the shape by having a simple 45-degree overhangs on the shaft, no supports required. The other side uses a shaped extrusion, kinda like a screw. Printed like this, it combines the proven solution of engineered shafts with the freedom of 3D prints that allow for the bayonet lock. This solution precisely fixes the parts in place while eliminating almost all wobbling. And it's not just limited to this relatively small shaft, but can also be used for larger parts or multiple steps along one shaft. I hope I could help you with your project when you just need this solution. Cheers!